Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to pause your Windows 10 updates. To start off with, you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Windows Start icon. You now need to go onto Settings, and you now need to go onto Update and Security. You now need to make sure that you have the Windows Update tab selected on the left hand side, and you now need to go down to Advanced Options, and you now need to go down to Pause Updates. As you can see, we can actually pause the updates for up to 35 days. So all you need to do is click on this little drop down menu here and pick whatever date you would like to pause your updates up until. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick the latest date possible. If you now click on the back arrow to go to the previous page, you can see here that my Windows updates have now been paused and they won't resume until the 13th of October, which was the date I selected. If you do change your mind, you can just simply click on this button here on Resume Updates. And that's it for this video. You have now successfully paused your Windows 10 updates. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.